students, very good morning. In previous video we have started with your stem. So what is stem? Stem is your above ground ascending portion which have different types of birds. Says your apical bird and your axillary bird. Apical bird is responsible for lengthwise growth. Axillary bird is responsible for lateral growth, we can say growth of branches or formation of flowers. Simple as that. Am I clear? Okay. Then we have discussed function of your stem in previous video. What are the function of stem that we have discussed? Number one, it bears branches, flowers, fruits, and fruits in turn have our seed. Apart from this, they are responsible in conduction of water, minerals, and your photosynthesis. What are photosynthesis? Are your organic substance prepared by the process of photosynthesis. Am I clear? So these are some of the function of stem that we have discussed in our last video. In today's video, we are starting with modification of stem. So apart from this normal function, stem are modified to perform different functions like I told you earlier, storage of food, climbing, then we can say photosynthesis, then we can say vegetative propagation, we can even say protection. Am I clear? So one by one we are going to discuss all. Okay, so first I am writing modification of stem for storage of food. Am I clear? So dear student, if we are talking about this storage of food, right, तो यहाँ पे जो stems involve होते हैं, these stems are underground stem. Am I clear? Are you getting my point? So it is not so कि stem are above ground. Stem can be underground also. It can be present within the soil also. Am I clear? So dear student, if we are talking about modification of stem for storage of food, then which type of stem plays an important role for the same? These are your underground stem. Am I clear? In this, you people have to understand different terminologies. Okay. Number one, over here I am writing is your rhizome. Again, if we are talking about your rhizome, तो rhizome आपने खाया है. Rhizome we people have eaten. Okay. What is rhizome actually? Again, rhizome is your underground stem which is fleshy. Which is fleshy, of course, as it stores food, and this rhizome grows indefinitely. It grows indefinitely. ये जो rhizome होता है बच्चों, these rhizomes have nodes, have internodes, even they are having adventitious roots. क्या present होता है इसमें? Nodes, internodes and adventitious roots. अब बताओ आप आपने कौन सा rhizome खाया है? Shall I give example? Yes, is your ginger. Very good, ginger. Yes or no? And your turmeric. And your turmeric. These two are example of rhizome that you people have to memorize. अपना आलू is your ginger. अब जो आंबा हरदर बोलते हो ना, which we people are going to eat in winter, that yellow color one and white color one, yes, that is our turmeric. Am I clear? So this two comes under your rhizome. Simple as that. Then second modification for storage of food is called as your corm. Now dear students, ये जो corm होता है ना, वो short होता है. It is short, it is thick, I can say. It is short, it is thick, and normally ये जो corms होता है वो unbranched होता है. Is unbranched. Am I clear? Say for example वो 11 आप करते हो तो उसमें आपने वो सूरन की सब्जी खाई है. Have you seen that सूरन? That is what our amorphophilus. That is what our amorphophilus. वो आपने खाया है ना? वो शॉर्ट होता है, वो थिक होता है, उसकी ब्रांचेस होती है क्या? नहीं होती. वो एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है. Normally it is somewhat you can say spherical in shape. Okay, so वो क्या है आपका? कॉर्म है। एंड कॉर्म के एग्जाम्पल में क्या क्या चीज आपकी आएगी? दैट इज योर एमोर्फोफेलस, that is your amorphophallus. That is what I mean by zameen kand. That is what I mean by zameen kand. Am I clear? Okay. तो ये हो गया आपका कॉर्म। शॉर्ट होता है, थिक होता है, अनब्रांच्ड होता है। ओके, देन अनदर मॉडिफिकेशन फॉर स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड इज योर स्टेम ट्यूबर्स। अबे स्टेम ट्यूबर्स तो आपने खाए हैं। That is your potato. That is your potato. Have you seen how potato grows? Yes. Potato grows at the tip portion of underground stem. Underground stem है, चलो say for example if I want to draw over here, ये underground stem है. Can you see this? उसकी टिप पे ये जो spherical और ओवल शेप स्ट्रक्चर है वो क्या है? आपका पोटैटो है। एंड दिस पोटैटो इज कंसिडर्ड एज स्टेम ट्यूबर। ओके, दिस बेयर्स आई, है ना, आपको पता होना चाहिए। आई होता है, फ्रॉम दिस आई देयर विल बी डेवलपमेंट ऑफ न्यू प्लांट। ओके, सो अगेन इट प्लेज एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन ऑल्सो। ओके, चलो, तो ये हो गया आपका स्टेम ट्यूबर। One more example if I want to give for the same is your bulb. अब ये भी आपने खाए हैं। बल्ब क्या चीज है? In this case जो stem होता है वो reduced होता है। It is highly reduced. It is discoid. Disc-like is equal to discoid. And it consists of leaves. Fleshy leaves होते हैं जो हम खाते हैं। ओके, आपने खाया है बल्ब। इफ आई वॉन्ट टू गिव एग्जाम्पल, हैव यू पीपल हैव ईट ऑनियन? यस। यू पीपल हैव ईट गार्लिक? यस। ओके, तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इफ आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट ऑनियन एंड गार्लिक, तो वो जो व्हाइट कलर का पोर्शन आप निकालते हो वो क्या है? डिस्क शेप स्टेम है। एंड द पोर्शन विच वी आर ईटिंग, ओनियन के जो पोर्शन विच वी आर ईटिंग जो फ्लैशी है वो लीव्स है। वो क्या है? लीव्स है। एम आई क्लियर? सो इन दिस केस वी आर ईटिंग लीव्स। व्हाट वी आर ईटिंग? वी आर ईटिंग लीव्स। एंड यहाँ पे जो स्टेम होता है वो डिस्क लाइक होता है, डिस्कॉइड होता है। सो व्हाट आई एम राइटिंग हियर, इन दिस केस आपका जो स्टेम है इज डिस्कॉइड, लीव्स बिकम fleshy to store food. Okay, so these are certain example: rhizome, combs, tubers, bulb that comes under your storage of food. Simple. Second one, there are certain stem who plays an important role in climbing. Okay, climbing in the sense, say for example, plants who are having weak stem. Plants who are having weak stem. Weak stem है, अपने आप वो सपोर्ट से क्लाइंब नहीं कर पा रहा। So in this case there arise a green slender coiled structure which is called as your stem tendril. उसको क्या कहा जाता है डियर स्टूडेंट? It is called as your stem tendrils. So what is this stem tendril? Stem tendril है क्या? It's your green color, slender and coiled structure who plays a very important role in climbing of that stem to support. Am I clear? An example आपको अच्छे से याद रखने हैं is in case of your grapevines. Okay. In case of your, I can say, your cucurbita. In case of your cucurbita, okay. Then in case of your जो भी plants होते हैं, इनकी जो stem weak होती है, this have your stem tendril. Am I clear? One more example over here is your pumpkin. है ना? One more example over here is your pumpkin. Am I clear? So these are the example for climbing one. Chalo. Next one. Third, that comes is for protection. That comes is for your protection. Okay dear students, if you are talking about protection, तो यहाँ पे जो auxiliary word होता है, in this case जो आपका auxiliary word होता है, it gets converted into hard pointed structure called as thorns. Called as thorns. Am I clear? Any doubts you people are having? This is seen in case of your. This is seen in case of your citrus and in case of your bougainville. What is the purpose of this? So, if of this thorns, to protect against whom? Protection against browsing animals. Protection against browsing animals. Am I clear? So dear students, this is what we have understood in number 1, storage of food. Then we have understood in case of your climbing, right? Grapevines, your cucupita, your pumpkin. Then protection. Protection के अंदर कौन example है? Citrus and bougainville. Now fourth, which is very important that we are going to understand, is for vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation. What is vegetative propagation? Vegetative propagation is means of your asexual reproduction in case of your plants. Okay, so here we are going to understand point number 1, that is called as your runners. That is called as your runners. As in seen in case of our grasses. So यहाँ पे example क्या लिख रही हूँ मैं आपका? Grasses. That is your lawn grass. Yes or no? That is your lawn grass. Am I clear? So dear students, if we are talking about this vegetative propagation, say for example your runner. So here I am explaining by drawing the structure. ये आपका soil है, मान लीजिए. This is your soil. Okay. Now in this there is presence of horizontal stem. ये main erect stem है. Can you see this? और ये leaf होता है present. These plants are having horizontal stem. Can you see this? This is the horizontal stem which runs horizontally over the surface. Over the surface of soil. Can you see this? This is your one erect stem जिसको आप बोलो crown. इसको क्या बोलते हो बच्चों? आप crown बोलते हो. Now this is stem. It have nodes. It have internodes. तो मानो ये nodes है. Can you see this? These are the nodes which are present on horizontal stem. Now what happens when this comes in contact with soil? If it gets suitable condition, यहाँ से adventitious root बाहर निकल, ये root है इसके, adventitious ये roots बाहर निकलते हैं. Can you see this? Yes or no? Yes. And here there will be formation of new crown. There will be formation of new crown. Am I clear? So this is how your lawn or your grass spreads. So ये जो structure हुआ बच्चों, can you see this? ये जो structure हुआ, this structure is called as your runner. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? This horizontal stem is called as your runner. Am I clear? आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा ये? चलो, let's draw. Let's understand the second one जिसको आप बोलते हो stolons. As in seen in case of your jasmine. Okay. As in seen in case of your peppermint. Please correct this in your NCERT textbook, peppermint. And one more if I want to write is your wild strawberry. ये सारे example है. अब भाई देखो, what happens in this case? ये soil है. Okay. ये आपका plant है. Can you see this? Okay. What is stolon? Stolon में क्या होता है? Can you see this? जो branch सबसे नजदीक होती है सॉइल के. दिस इज योर सॉइल and this is the root system. Am I clear? Lateral branch, can you see this, which is very nearer to soil, it grows up. देखो अच्छे से देखना, it grows upward. Can you see this? Can you see this? And then it arch down. देखो जहां पे इसको suitable condition मिले, it produces root system and new plant. Can you see this? तो this is, ये जो structure है, this structure is called as your stolon. इसको क्या बोला जाता है बच्चों? स्टोलोन बोला जाता है. सबसे नीचे की ब्रांच, it grows up and then it arch down. Okay, when this part comes in contact with soil, it produces new plant, and ये जो structure बना is called as your stolon, as in seen in case of your jasmine, in case of your wild strawberry and your peppermint. Am I clear? Okay, next is for the same is called as your offset. Offsets are seen in case of your aquatic plant like pistia and your ecornia. Pistia and your ecornia. This ecornia is also called as water hyacinth, or it is also called as terror of Bengal. And ये जो plants है बच्चों, these are your aquatic plants. These are your aquatic plants. अब offset बहुत अच्छे से याद रखना है. ये जो offsets होते हैं, they are 1 internode long. That's it. They are 1 internode long. चलो देखो यहाँ पे, ये आपका water. Can you see this? This is your water. Okay. This is the root system of that particular plant. This is your pistia which I am drawing. This is the structure of pistia. Can you see this? Yes. Now what happens? Look very carefully. Again यहाँ पे होती है horizontal branch. क्या होती है बच्चों? Horizontal branch. Okay. Horizontal stem है. देखो blue color से नो. I guess red will be visible to you. ये जो stem है वो horizontal है. Can you see this? Stem is having node. Stem is having node. ये node है. This bulge portion which I am drawing is your node. This is surface of water. अब मैंने क्या बोला आपको? Your offsets are 1 internode long. This is your one node. This is your another node. तो ये जो है, can you see this? This is your offset. तो यहां पे I can say that at each node there will be presence of your plant. I can say yes or no. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Unlike this, देखो मैंने सारे नोड्स पे नहीं बनाया है. बनाया मैंने सारे नोड्स पे. Can I say runners are 1 internode long? No, you cannot say. क्योंकि ये नोड ये एक इंटरनोड, ये 2 इंटरनोड. It is not 1 internode long. Whereas in this case, you can see that यहाँ पे ये नोड, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल स्टेम को बोला मैंने ऑफसेट. ये नोड, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल स्टेम को बोला मैंने ऑफसेट. ये नोड, बीच में जो हॉरिजॉन्टल स्टेम है मैंने बोला ऑफसेट. सो ऑफसेट्स आर 1 internode long, as in seen in case of your pistia and your ecornia. Simple as that. ठीक है. चलो last comes your suckers. Dear students, ये तीनों horizontal stem थे which are present above surface. Suckers are your underground stem. Suckers are your underground stem, as in seen in case of your banana, as in seen in case of your chrysanthemum, as in seen in case of your pineapple, as in seen in case of our mint. Okay, our pudina, our mint. Okay, see, ये जो mint है ना, it is having both sucker like structure as well as runner like structure. चलो ड्रॉ करें इसको. सॉरी, ये जो है वो आपकी सॉइल है. ओके, दिस इज योर प्लांट. ओके, दिस इज योर प्लांट. ये रूट सिस्टम है यहाँ पे. अब भाई देखो यहाँ पे, दिस इज अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम विच रन्स हॉरिजॉन्टली. कैन यू सी दिस? ये सॉइल है बच्चों, ये प्लांट है, मान लीजिए दिस इज द प्लांट. ओके, एंड दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल स्टेम. दिस हॉरिजॉन्टल स्टेम grows up. Can you see this? It is coming up. Can you see this? This horizontal stem is coming up. Yes or no? Yes. This results in formation of new plant. Am I clear? तो बच्चों, ये जो structure है, this structure is called as your sucker. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? sucker बोला जाता है. Am I clear? So these are some of the modification of your stem: storage of food, climbing, protection, vegetative propagation. और एक रहा है photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis में क्या होता है? आपका जो stem है, your stem becomes green in color. Your stem becomes green in color. So for example, desert plant है. Desert plant cannot afford loss of water. तो उसमें leaves नहीं होते. Photosynthesis तो होती है. कौन परफॉर्म करे leaves ना हो तो? In this case, your stem performs the function of photosynthesis. Your stem becomes green in color. Okay, example for the same is your opuntia and euphorbia. opuntia कैसा स्ट्रक्चर होता है? फ्लैट स्ट्रक्चर होता है. If I want to draw the structure of opuntia, over here I am drawing. Okay, तो उसका स्ट्रक्चर, चलो let me write over here. What are the example? Jasmine है ना, फिर क्या बोला मैंने आपको over here? Your peppermint है ना. Okay, wild strawberry. Over here, I am writing your photosynthesis. Over here, I am writing your photosynthesis. This is terror of Bengal. Okay, please write it down. चलो. So, आपका fifth one over here, that is your fifth one, is your photosynthesis. What happens in photosynthesis? आपका जो stem है, it will become green in color to perform the function of photosynthesis. Okay, example अच्छे से याद रखना है आपको. opuntia and one more is your euphorbia. ये जो opuntia है, it is flat structure, and ये जो euphorbia है, it is cylindrical structure. opuntia look like this. Somewhat it looks like this. Are you getting my point? This is opuntia. And can you see this? Is it cylindrical in shape? Yes. तो ये आपका euphorbia है. And such modification is called as your phylloclade. उसको क्या बोला जाता है बच्चों? Phylloclade. So what is phylloclade? If stem performs the function of photosynthesis, this is called as your phylloclade. So dear student, this is modification of stem. I hope you understood it really very well. Thank you very much.